Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be taking a look at some technical analysis. Technical analysis is a technique we try to use to forecast the direction of prices through the study of past market data such as price and volume. I often use this in conjunction with fundamental analysis. After I determine that I like the stock based on its fundamentals, then I would look at the technical analysis to see what is a good price point to either buy or sell depending if I want to enter or exit a trade. So let's take a look at Peloton. I've already looked at the company's fundamentals and determined that I really like it, especially now that it's sold off and the valuation seems very cheap. So the first thing I do is I take a look at the overall monthly charts and see how the stock has been doing and which direction it's headed. Technical analysis is based on momentum, and thus we always want to follow the upward trend of the stock if we want to go long. So here on the monthly chart, we see that it peaked in January at around $170. Since then, it has been falling dramatically with the market. It fell a lot in February, and it fell a lot more in March, going to as low as about $94 before buyers came in and pushed it back up. However, since March is not a full complete month, we must look deeper into the data. So let's take a look at the weekly charts. Here, I like to turn on the automatic trend line to see where the support and resistance levels are. By the way, in case you're wondering, I'm currently using the Trend Spider platform, which uses AI and computer learning to draw automated trend lines for me so I don't have to do any of the work. So here, if we look at Peloton again, we see that it recently broke this blue support line, which is around $124. Now, that same line has become resistance. Peloton tried to climb back up, but was pushed back down when it hit the new resistance line. Currently, the price action shows indecision and it may head lower. Although the general trend seems to show an upward trend, the fact that it broke key support is very alarming. Thus, to better understand this action, we must dig deeper and look further into the daily charts. The daily chart is showing that in the short term, the trend is downwards. This green line shows us that there's strong support here at around $94. As you can see, it touched $94 and bounced right back up. Currently though, it has resistance at this red line at about $134 or $135. It could head back down and continue further down. Thus, we want to see what it will do over these next few days or weeks. Overall, what we want to see is for the stock to drop down further and hit this line again. If it bounces back up, then we know this is a really good support and that we can start our position here. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if there's a stock that you would like me to do a quick analysis, leave me a comment below. I'm not an expert on technical analysis, but will give you my opinion on it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.